Toronto O'Hare International Airport. The local time is 3:21 p.m. Please remain seated till the seatbelt sign is turned off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in an exit row, please don't plug your devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seat back pockets and areas around your seat to make sure you have all of your belongings, and be careful when opening overhead bins. Once we arrive at our gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. Any checked luggage may be retrieved from baggage carousel number 6. That's baggage number 6. Your feedback is really important to us. Some of you will receive a survey asking you about your experience via email or in the United app. We would love to get your feedback. Thank you.